Drinking hibiscus tea every day does this to your body. What is hibiscus tea? Drinking hibiscus tea on a daily basis can provide a multitude of health benefits. This herbal drink is prepared by steeping either fresh or dried hibiscus flowers and calyxes in hot water. The tea typically has a deep red color, but other colors such as pink or yellow are also available with a similar flavor. Hibiscus tea has been used as a natural medicine for thousands of years in Africa due to its abundance of antioxidants and healing phytonutrients that support the human body in various ways. In recent years, the scientific community has taken a greater interest in hibiscus tea's potential as a natural medicine and healer. In this video, we will explore 6 powerful health benefits of consuming 1 to 2 cups of hibiscus tea daily. It is important to note that this video is solely for educational purposes, and if you have any medical concerns, you should consult your doctor. 1. Reduces high blood pressure. One of the significant benefits of hibiscus tea is its ability to lower high blood pressure, making it one of the best natural remedies for hypertension. Scientific studies have demonstrated that hibiscus tea can effectively reduce both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Individuals with high blood pressure have excessive amounts of angiotensin, a chemical that narrows blood vessels, making it difficult for the heart to pump blood throughout the body. Hibiscus tea acts as a natural ACE inhibitor, similar to blood pressure medication but with fewer side effects. The natural flavonoids found in hibiscus tea can relax arteries by impeding angiotensin production, allowing blood to flow freely and reducing blood pressure while decreasing the risk of plaque buildup in the arteries. Another benefit of hibiscus tea is its ability to lower LDL cholesterol levels, especially certain types. 2. Lowers LDL cholesterol. When there is an excess of LDL cholesterol in the body, it is more prone to sticking to artery walls, leading to the formation of plaque. This buildup can eventually cause heart attacks or strokes. However, drinking hibiscus tea can help regulate cholesterol levels, reducing LDL and protecting the cardiovascular system. Consuming 1 to 2 cups of hibiscus tea daily can help keep the arteries clear and minimize inflammation in the heart. Additionally, hibiscus tea fights harmful substances in the body, which is the third benefit. 3. Fights harmful microbes. Based on my experience, plants with deep natural pigment colors like red, blue, or purple tend to have potent immune-boosting properties. These pigments are known as anthocyanins and carotenoids, which act as robust antioxidants in the body, similar to vitamin C. Hibiscus tea, for example, has been shown to be more effective than penicillin in fighting specific types of bacteria. This drink is particularly helpful in combating harmful bacteria like H. pylori, which often causes stomach acid problems. Therefore, if you have caught a cold or an infection, it is recommended to drink hibiscus tea 2 to 3 times a day with a little stevia to sweeten it. This drink will support your immune system in fighting off the bacteria or virus that has infected your body. If you find this information useful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on all notifications to stay updated with my latest health and nutrition tips. Now, let's talk about the 4th benefit of hibiscus tea, which is its ability to protect the brain. 4. Protects the brain. Ongoing research is constantly investigating the protective benefits of botanical herbs and teas and how they interact with our bodies. Recently, hibiscus tea has been found to have neuroprotective properties, which can improve brain function and reduce the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease by helping to regulate blood sugar levels. Drinking hibiscus tea can also lower the risk of amyloid plaque buildup in the brain, which is often associated with brain diseases. Therefore, replacing some of your coffee, tea, and soda drinks with a hibiscus infusion once or twice a day is highly recommended. Additionally, it is suggested to add 1 teaspoon of xylitol or a little stevia to sweeten this naturally sour and fragrant drink. 5. Liver support. Incorporating bitter herbs and vegetables in our diets is known to have natural liver cleansing properties. Studies have shown that hibiscus, with its powerful antioxidants and phytochemicals, supports liver function by eliminating harmful toxins from the body. By increasing enzyme production, hibiscus facilitates the removal of chemicals such as alcohol, nicotine, and medication byproducts from the bloodstream. Additionally, the anthocyanins responsible for hibiscus' vibrant red color have been linked to reducing fat accumulation in the liver, making it a beneficial beverage for individuals who are overweight, have a pot-shaped belly, or suffer from fatty liver disease, which is a prevalent condition. 6. Weight loss. One of the main benefits of consuming hibiscus tea is its potential to aid in weight loss. If you're looking to shed some pounds, it's recommended to avoid processed foods and beverages and instead opt for a natural and diverse diet. Drinking herbal teas such as hibiscus, green tea, rooibos, or peppermint can help satisfy cravings and induce a sense of calmness and relaxation. Hibiscus tea, in particular, has been shown to reduce inflammation in the liver, regulate blood pressure, and improve insulin resistance, all of which contribute to combating the underlying causes of weight gain in the body. In addition to these benefits, hibiscus tea offers 6 other key advantages. Other benefits. Aside from the 6 benefits discussed earlier, drinking hibiscus tea regularly can offer other advantages. For women, it can aid in regulating menstrual cycles and reducing menstrual pain. It can also be used as a hair rinse to alleviate dandruff and scalp irritation, and incorporated into skin care products to improve skin health and elasticity due to its antioxidant content. Additionally, consuming hibiscus tea in the evening can help stimulate melatonin production, which is crucial for deep sleep. Research has also revealed that hibiscus has the ability to trigger programmed cell death in stomach cancer cells. Recipe: hibiscus tea. Let's explore a simple recipe for preparing hibiscus tea. To make this tea, you will require 1 tablespoon of dried hibiscus flowers, 2 cups of water, 1 optional squeeze of lemon juice, and some stevia for sweetness. First, boil the water and pour it over the hibiscus flowers. Let the mixture steep for 3 to 4 minutes. Next, add the optional lemon juice and sweetener, then strain the mixture and drink. You can also make a cold infusion by steeping hibiscus flowers in cold water and refrigerating them for 24 hours. It is recommended to drink hibiscus tea 1 to 2 times a day for optimal results. However, it is important to consult your doctor before consuming this drink if you are currently taking blood pressure medication, as it may double its effect and lead to low blood pressure, which should be avoided. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.